Japanese technology as well.
So,
Oh, really? Yeah.
But every time you go, it's different. You know, sometimes it's the Americans.
Yeah.
That's the nice part about it.
Okay, well, I gotta. There
I
we
was
go.
gonna say, there it goes.
Okay, we gotta take a. I know, we gotta take a picture. Dear, you stand between these two gentlemen. I'm gonna take your picture.
Okay.
Go ahead.
There's 2 tickets missing.
Oh yes, not for long. Right here.
I can even take a picture when you're all set.
Oh yeah. Okay, good.
I'll take one first if you want. I could take you
to any coaster enthusiasts,
Yeah.
debate, does this count as a credit? Because this is very similar to the ice sleds that the Russians built 500 years ago that is that
Okay.
was the predecessor to roller coasters.
Okay, yeah, get the running perfect.
So, debate in the comments. Is this a credit? Yes, because of historical value. No, because if it is, then just sliding down a hill you could argue is a credit. So, debate.
70 kilometers an hour.
Okay.
Okay, is there a certain way we should sit? This young man is going to
Yeah,
film
go
it.
first.
Okay.
You can even take a video while you're going down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put your feet inside there. Yeah. And don't grab the rope. Perfect.
Grab the rope.
No, don't.
Okay.
You put your feet on his lap. Okay.
On his lap?
Yeah.
Okay. My feet, they're snowy. My feet are snowy.
That's fine.
Okay.
That's the idea.
Do that. Here, let me.
Are you okay?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so I put my legs around
Your feet on
right
her lap.
here. Okay. Yeah. You gotta keep them tight because you don't want to get hurt.
Okay, cheese. Here, look up. Okay, keep your knees in and keep your arms in, okay? Don't touch the sides here, okay?
Merci beaucoup.
Okay, here we go. Yeah. Whoa! We're gonna go all the we went past the edge. Woo! Yeah! I think that's the best of the 3 rides I've done on this.